Welcome to a vagabond expedition and more of our overland adventures. Today we are replacing the well-used and well-weathered trasharoo bag. And this here's a black bag, but a couple of seasons in the sun and outdoors all winter like this, and it gets well rotted, well faded from the elements here. So I've got something new. I'm going to show you all about that. I'm going to pull this off and get into what's replacing the trasharoo. So right off the hop, you can see one of my headaches with the trasharoo. As useful as this bag is, you put it on there, you put it on snug, and you're pretty much stuck with it there. Let me show you something totally new. Mounting straps. Now I don't think you need the door open for this. I'm just going to open it so it's a little bit easier to show you guys from this perspective where I got the camera sitting right now. This is the Northbound Expeditions GARB bag. Garbage and Recycling Bag, I think it stands for. I don't know. I'd have to look that up and be 100% sure, but that's what I think it stands for. But anyway, you got a bag and you got mounting straps. Take our strap, undo the buckles, and we wrap this part around the tire. Buckles come to the front here. There are these other straps that hang off the main strap. You'll want those accessible, so that's where your new bag is going to clip into. And then we're just going to snug it up. There's strap number 1 on there. It's not super tight, it's snug, but it's not super tight. Yeah, I'm going to leave it over top of my bike carrier for now, too. That might change. I'm not too sure yet, but we'll give it a try over top of the bike carrier. Now, you see me having to do a little bit of fussing there on this second strap, and that's just because of my TerraFlex spare tire carrier. The tire and the carrier are quite tight together, so I just have to fish through there a little bit. All right, and that is the mounting system for the Northbound GARB bag. So let's go grab the bag and check it out. So once you've got the cross straps put in place. You'll see these steel clips more or less, and your GARB bag has 4 short straps. Yeah, we're going with olive green this time. 4 short straps, and these straps simply feed into here, and these clips lock it into place. Lets you take the bag on and off your Jeep to protect it from some of the excessive elements once in a while, or if you've got something of value in here, you want to take it inside at the end of the day. Pull those straps a little bit snug, and just like that, the bag is now firmly attached to your Jeep. So I'm going to do a little bit of a cleanup on this. I'm going to move it a little bit higher, so I got some straps to adjust. But what you get is a large pocket, main pocket for your gear. You get a couple of straps here that you can use to roll up maybe your tent, some firewood, whatever. So they clip in here. Everything just rolls up, stays up nice and high out of the main compartment. Obviously, if you're using this for garbage and recycling, throw in a couple of plastic bags just to protect the GARB bag itself. Zippered pouch right here, and I can't really open and close zippers while I'm holding a camera in one hand and trying to fuss with this in the next. Clips to hold the bag itself closed. Another zippered compartment here, and another Velcro flap compartment down in here. Drawstring to tighten the bag itself. You got a side pocket, a little gear loop here. On the other side, you're getting a mesh pocket here. If you're out sitting at camp, good place to stick a water bottle, have it handy. So that's it. That's the GARB gear from Northbound Expedition. Like I said, I'm going to adjust just the position just a little bit. I don't like the bag to hang too low there. I like it up out of the way. And yeah, to take it off if you're at home, if you're going into a seedy part of town and you don't want the local crackheads to steal your gear. There's one clip. And again, so much easier with 2 hands available instead of holding a camera. Clip here. And now it's raining. 4 clips. And now your GARB gear bag is completely detached from your Jeep. Let's get in out of the rain. Comes with a handle. Where are we here? My camera is not cooperating tonight. A nice little handle so you can carry this thing around, very lightweight. Anyway, that's it for the Jeep and the GARB Expedition gear bag. I'll leave a link down below with where you can buy it. It's not on Amazon, I don't think, but I'll leave a link anyway to Northbound Expeditions so you can check it out for yourself. Other than that, stay adventurous and tune in next time. Thanks for watching.